In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 3D perfect looking text in Adobe Photoshop CC in less than 1 minute completely for free. Once you have the text on the screen, right click, blending options, click bevel, contour, and texture, and these are the settings. Next, add a drop shadow by clicking the check mark like so, and these are also the settings. Click OK, and then next click Ctrl plus T on your keyboard, and then click the up arrow key, and then the right arrow key once, so up and right once, or you can do up and left, and then click the check mark. The next step is to click Ctrl Shift Alt T on your keyboard for Windows, and then that will duplicate the text. Do this according to how you like, 6 to 12 times. The magic number is around 24. Next, what you want to do is to click on the text, scroll all the way down of the original text, and start holding down Shift and clicking so it highlights everything like so. And then right click and click on Convert to Smart Object. And there you go. Control T, and this is your final version of the text or the 3D text. And this is the before. And this is the after of the 3D text. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.